Hey everybody, welcome to Viper's Garage. Today I'm going to be changing out the headlights on this 2000 Dodge Ram. The lights I got on it are the crappiest ones I bought. I think I bought them back in 2016, and I was more impressed with the little lights it had on there. I'm gonna show you here in just a second. So that's the reason why I bought them. I wasn't thinking about what I should have been thinking about, and I'll show you. See, when you get headlights for this type of truck, you gotta have that gap. Now I'm gonna show you the reason why. See, I can't adjust them because the brackets won't let it adjust where this adjusts where it's supposed to be, because it's all made together, and over time the brackets start breaking. So if I were you, I would not buy this type of headlight for your truck. They look good, but you won't be able to ever get them exact. Now the reason why I'm saying is because this side has never been right. See, it's trying to fall off. I went to Salt Lake, Utah. I live in Arkansas, and going down the roads in New Mexico, which I ain't saying any bad thing about New Mexico, but they have some rough interstates, and this one right here fell out. So when I got back, I decided to buy new ones. Forgive me for the wind. These right here, I seen them. I don't think I've seen them on YouTube. I tried to look them up and I couldn't find them to see a review on them. But I went on eBay and bought these. So these, what they say online, are supposed to be your day running lights. These right here. But this truck does not come with daytime running lights yet. I think other Dodges might, but the year model is probably higher than mine, but this truck that I have don't have it. So I'm gonna hook these directly into the tail lights. So the reason why you don't want those right there, like I said, is because you can't adjust it, because that right there is all made together. You want this to be separated from this, because you got your adjusting screws right here. That looked kind of bent for a second there. Adjusting screw there. I think one down there. So this one you never adjust. So this one stays stationary all the time. So the wiring that you're going to have to hook for this, for the LED to work, are right here. You got your red and your black. Your red's hot and your black is ground. You got 3 bolts, one there, one down there, and one behind up underneath. You got to take out their 10mm bolts. So for my truck, I don't know if all the Dodges are the same, but they're 10mm. You might find out you're gonna have a hard time getting to that one down there and over here. My bumper's bent. It was that way when I got it, so I'm gonna have a hard time getting this one off. But just take your time, you'll be all right. I think this, you might be able to take this off. I got mine screwed down because, like I said, when the bumper was bent, this thing did not fit right. So all you got to do is I think they might be clipped on, but I'd be very careful pulling them off. But if I can, I'll make a video of these installed. I can't do a video of installing them because I'm just one person. And two, all you're going to see is me trying to move around and fight and trying to get in there. But it's going to be a lot of cussing and stuff, because I remember last time I did a lot of cussing trying to install these. I think I made a video on back just showing what I had. I didn't explain anything about it. And that video was just made to go on my Facebook page for family. That's just showing. I guess showing off, I don't know. But this is not showing off. This, when I went to Salt Lake, Utah, I had to go in the mountains, and this was at night, and I could not see for love nor money. So these are coming off, and they're probably going to go in the trash. Don't ask to buy them because they are broken. The adjustment in it's broken, so I won't sell them because they're broke. If you want them because they're broken, that's all on you. But to be honest, I wouldn't want to sell them to anybody. No, I couldn't do that. But as far as that, if I were you, I wouldn't buy these type of headlights. They're a shitty headlight. Excuse the language. I got them because they had them lights down there. Hold on just a second. I'll show you the reason why I got it. It's because them little lights right there. That impressed me. That's the only reason I bought this. But I didn't think about this right here is supposed to be separated from that. So, yeah, there. I had these on here for so long. Thought they looked good. They actually do look good, but you can never adjust them to the level they need to be. So these have got adjustments for if you could find somebody like at a body shop to adjust headlight. They got these little, I guess what you say, little teats on here. They got one there and two more at the bottom. But I'm gonna adjust this myself because my friend taught me you just point it toward a building. You're gonna have to have a level surface though. You're supposed to try to get them level. I can't really tell you how, and I really don't want to because I can be wrong about this. But you're supposed to get a kind of level, and they're not supposed to be pointing like straight up like that. They're supposed to be kind of pointing toward the road, kind of tilted down but not too far. It would be easier to do it at nighttime and park at like say if you go to like a store, if you can get in a parking lot where you can park level and point your lights at a wall, you tell you get in your truck. If they're too high up, you'll see. But if you just pay attention and get them level enough to where I don't think you're supposed to be able to see them, but if I were y'all, I'd look it up on YouTube how to level your headlights. But these that I got now, I hope these are going to work out good. No, I say I hope. I know they are. They're going to be a whole lot better than what I got on here. You are going to have, when you go to pull your headlights out, remember you still got your headlights hooked up. All you're going to do is unplug those. You're going to have, with the lights I have on here, I already have the, like I said, the wiring for them LEDs that I have. My headlights come with these things right here for the new ones. I don't think I need them, but we'll see. But yeah, if I can, after I get done installing one, I'll start this video back up and show you what I got. Alright, I got the headlights installed. This is what they look. Like I said, you're going to have one bolt there, one down there, and one under here. Now when you go to take it out, make sure you're taking it out slowly, because you still, if you didn't unhook these before you take these out, they're still going to be hooked up. So you got that one to worry about in your headlight. But like I said, take this off. It'll make it so much easier. If your bumper's bent, you're gonna have a problem. I kind of had a problem a while ago. But yeah, they, like I said, 10 millimeter bolts. You got two on this side and one on that side right there. What you want to do is to take a ground you don't have to use this kind of wire. It's all I had. This would be your ground to them lights down, the lights I told you about, and you run the red wire to your tail lights. You just have to splice into them. That's the way I have it hooked up, and I just grounded it to here. You can ground it anywhere you want, just make sure it's got a good ground or it won't work bright. It won't be bright. So same on this side. I had a little problem because when with that, it didn't want to go in very well, but I didn't do that. The truck was that way when I bought it. I've been trying to find a fender for it, and I'm trying to figure out how to get this fender off without having to take all that off. But hold on, I'll show you what they look like with them on. They should look like that. They look real good on this truck. Are they going to be bright at night? I don't know. But when you go to take your bulbs out, if you've never changed your headlight bulbs, mine, you see on the very tip of that bulb, the black is coming off. If that's happening, I don't know if you necessarily have to replace it, but I feel like that would be a good idea to replace it. But I know these bulbs are not cheap, so just keep an eye out on that. Just don't touch the bulb with your hands. So that's how that looks. I haven't seen this on YouTube, how people review these headlights, but this I'm just giving you the best of what I know how to do this. But yeah, like I said, just be careful when you go to take these out. If you didn't unhook your lights, just be careful. Get a straight-in screwdriver if you can't get to the clips that's holding it in there, and just very gently pull up on the clip and try to pull back. And it's double clip, so you're going to have one on each side. So you're going to pull one clip up, then the other, and it should come right out. And you know, with the tail light, all you got to do is twist it, and it'll come out. But this one on this side fought me to come out. This one, I haven't tried the blinkers out. I'm pretty sure they work. I wish I would have had these headlights before I went to Salt Lake, Utah, but yeah, it looks good. I guess when you go to put these in, don't go get clear bulbs. This is not yellow, so you're gonna have to have the colored bulb. But man, that looks good. I'm not trying to show off. I hope y'all like this video. I'm sorry I couldn't do it full in depth, but this, oh my god, it was a pain trying to get them out. But anybody could do it if you just take your time. And like I said, just go easy, and because you got wires, if you didn't unhook your headlights, like you mainly want to try to unhook them before you take them out. But if you look, if anybody's got a dog, they're kind of complicated to get to. I guess anybody else could get to them. You could twist this off right here. The headlights I had, you couldn't do that. It was all the way. Do I got my hand there? Oh, I'm sorry. This was all the way in on my other headlight, and this part didn't come off, so I had to take that off. But this comes with this part right here, and it twists in. It pushes the bulb in. Just make sure when you put the bulb in, it goes in all the way, and make sure it's aligned. They got little tabs on the bulb, or not the bulb. It's got little little valleys in the plug or on the bulb. I don't know why I'm having a hard time speaking. The thing that twists the bulb to keep it in there, it's got ears on it. You just got to line them up and push it down and turn it. Just be careful that you don't get too crazy with it, because you can break them. And I think I seen somebody on YouTube saying they're not easy to find. You have to go to a junkyard, but I don't know if that's necessarily true. But I don't think an auto parts store would keep them in stock though. But you never know. But anyway, like I said, I hope y'all like this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you hadn't subscribed, subscribe. I don't do videos on a daily basis. Just when this truck messes up, I try to do a video to try to help people out, because I know there's a lot of people out there that may have a truck like this or similar, but I know one video got a lot of views, and I like trying to help people out, because I've been in a situation where I couldn't get any help, and my best friend, he had a truck just like this, and every time he had problems out of it, he'd say, he'd tell me that you may have this problem eventually down the road, and eventually it does happen. But anyway, y'all take it easy, and y'all have a great day. But like I said, if y'all haven't liked the video, hit that like button or subscribe. Until next time, peace.